Welcome back to Building with Why. Today, for Power Pages pointers, we're going to talk about web roles. Power Pages gives you 3 web roles out of the box: authenticated users, anonymous users, and administrators. Most people just use authenticated users and anonymous users. For authenticated users, though, you have to be able to log in and use credentials in order to get to those authenticated values. What if you need to set up another authenticated user role, though, that has different permissions? So you want to be able to control which authenticated user role goes into which portions of the website. Well, you can create a new web role. Call it authenticated user super role, super user. Assign it to your website. And here's the key though, right? So for the super user, right, if you want to give them the same controls as what you already have, you would give them the authenticated user role. You would give any users this super user web role on top of the authenticated user web role if you wanted them to get into portions of the website that you didn't want other people to get into. So you do not want to give them this authenticated users role, yes, no, right here. That's right. And this is a little bit counterintuitive, right? If you mark this as yes, what you're really saying is when a user first logs into the website, this super user web role is okay for everybody. And that's not what we want. So we want to leave this as no, and we'll save include. And I'll show you how that works in testing later on. If you found this useful, please mark like and subscribe to Building with Why. Till next time,